Let's look at the next question. Wall & Co. can construct a mini pyramid in 15 days. Abid & Co. can complete the same work in 10 days. Wall & Co. started working, and after 5 days, Abid & Co. formed a joint venture and began working together. How many days more will they take to complete the remaining work? Let's see the options. A. 1 day, B. 2 days, C. 3 days, D. 4 days, and E. None of these. So, here also, we can use the basic concept of finding the 1 day's work of the two companies, Wall & Co. and Abid & Co. First, Wall & Co. took 15 days to construct the pyramid, which is the work here. So, its 1 day's work equal to 1 by 15. It's given Wall & Co. worked for 5 days, and on the 6th day, Abid & Co. joined and they started working together. So we need to find out how much work Wall & Co. completed in 5 days. How do we do that? We multiply Wall & Co.'s 1 day's work with the number of days they worked, which is equal to 5 days. That is 1 by 15 into 5, which is equal to 1 by 3. So, Wall & Co. completes 1/3 of the work in 5 days. Now, the remaining work is completed by both the companies together. So, let's first find out what is the remaining work. As I said in the beginning, the total work is considered to be 1 unit, and 1 by 3 part of the work has been completed. So, the remaining work will be equal to 1 minus 1 by 3, equal to 2 by 3. Now, we need to find out how many days the two companies took to complete 2 by 3 work. For this, what information do you need? You need to know how much work can be completed by both the companies in 1 day. You already know Wall & Co.'s 1 day's work, which is equal to 1 by 15. What is Abid & Co.'s 1 day's work? It is 1 by 10. Why? Because they need 10 days to complete the work alone. What is their total 1 day's work? It is 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10, equal to 1 by 6. That is, 1 by 6 work can be completed by them in 1 day. But they need to complete 2 by 3 work. How do we find the time taken to complete 2 by 3 work? Just apply the basic unitary method. That is, for 1 by 6 work, 1 day is required. Therefore, for 2 by 3 work, 1 divided by 1 by 6 into 2 by 3. That is, 4 days are required. So, the answer is option D, 4 days.